welcome to my channel. And here I have some questions to solve on construction of triangles, and I saw this question somewhere and I decided to solve these questions because they have dimensions and they can be question for examination. So that's why I decided to solve these questions. Okay. Question 1, I'm not going to touch that, but question 2, I'm going to start from here. And question 2 says that we have to construct an isosceles triangle that has a perimeter of 135 millimeters and an altitude of 55 millimeters. So those are the two things that we are given for the construction of this triangle. We are given the perimeter and we are given the altitude of the triangle. So let's see how we can construct this triangle. So what we are going to do first for the construction of this triangle is to divide the given perimeter into two, and that will give us 67.5, which I will approximate to 68 millimeters. That is 135 by 2. Okay, so then we are going to draw a horizontal line. So you can see it here. So we draw horizontal line like this. Okay. So on this horizontal line, so I'm going to call this end here. I will call it point A. Then, as we have divided the perimeter into two, which is 68 millimeters, approximately 68 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 68 millimeter, which is half of the given perimeter. So you take half of the given perimeter. So this is 68. So this is point B. Okay. Then we are going to erect a perpendicular line at point B. So we take a compass, so extend to a small radius, and we draw an arc or a semicircle like this. Okay. Now, so we put the midpoint of the compass. So we put the midpoint of the compass at this point. We draw an arc here. So the same radius at this point here on the semicircle. We draw an arc here like this. Okay. So then, so we can now draw a line through this point of intersection of the arcs from point B. So like this. So this line is perpendicular to line AB. Okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take the altitude, which is 55 millimeters. With the compass, we take 55 millimeters. Okay, so this is 55. Then we put the midpoint at point B, make an arc here like this. So this point is point C. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to join AC together. We join AC together like this. Okay, so then the next thing to do is that we are going to bisect line AC. So we divide line AC into two. So we know how to do bisection of a given line. So here we make an arc here, and here we have an arc here. Then we put it at point C. So we make an arc here, and we make an arc here like this. So we connect the point of intersection of the arcs together with a straight line, so like this. Alright, so now, so wherever the bisector of line AC meets line AB, so which is this point, so we are going to call this point, we call it point G. So then we take distance BD or DB, so with the compass, then we'll put the pinpoint at B here, then we make an arc on this line here. So this point here is This point is point E. So what we need to do now is to connect. So CD, point CD, connect them together. Point C and D, we connect them together. And point C and E, we connect them together like this. Alright, then make this line DE, make it a thick line. Alright, so this is the required triangle, and the required triangle is triangle CDE. So whose perimeter and the altitude are given. So as simple as I've done it here. When you practice it, you master it. Let's meet on question 3. Thank you and God bless you.